The market's buzzing with Mullen Automotive's short squeeze triggered by the launch of their Class 3 EV. What does this mean for you, as an investor? Let's break it down in today's video as we dissect Mullen's recent market action. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare to turbocharge your understanding of Mullen Automotive. Alright, let's dive into the price action of Mullen Automotive stock on July 20th, 2023. The day started with an opening price of 14.89 cents and closed at 15 cents, showing a 1.9% increase. The stock's daily high reached 15.5 cents, while the daily low touched 14.1 cents, resulting in a range of 9.4%. When examining the metrics, we notice a positive change in the stock price compared to the previous close of 14.72 cents. This indicates some upward momentum during the trading day. However, it's important to consider the overall context and observe any abnormal metrics. The average volume stood at 385 million, with a daily volume of 238 million shares traded. This suggests relatively active trading activity, indicating interest and potential market participation. Analyzing resistance levels, we refer to the levels from the previous day, which were at 15.29 cents, 15.87 cents, and 16.36 cents. These levels act as potential barriers that the stock may encounter as it attempts to rise further. Regarding support levels, we look at the levels from the previous day, which were at 14.22 cents, 13.73 cents, and 13.15 cents. These levels provide potential price floors, indicating areas where the stock may find buying interest and a halt to downward movements. It's important to monitor these support and resistance levels as they can influence the stock's price action and serve as points of interest for traders and investors. Mullen Automotive has made headlines with its recent announcement of a commercial electric vehicle launch event scheduled for August 24th. The event aims to mark the production launch of the company's Class 3 EVs and will be held at Mullen's commercial assembly plant in Tunica, Mississippi. This state-of-the-art facility, spanning over 120,000 square feet and sitting on more than 100 acres of land, is capable of producing both Class 1 and Class 3 vehicles. The launch event will be attended by select media, customers, dealers, vehicle upfitters, suppliers, and local leadership. It will feature company presentations, factory tours, vehicle demonstrations, and ride and drive services, offering attendees an in-depth look at Mullen's latest offerings. The CEO and chairman of Mullen, David Micheri, expressed enthusiasm about the upcoming event and emphasized the company's readiness for vehicle production and customer deliveries. The commencement of Class 3 production, scheduled for July, will be followed by deliveries and revenue collection in August and September. To support the production process, Mullen has partnered with NRTC Integration to assist with assembly line installation and integration. However, it's important to note that production comes with associated expenses, including the acquisition of automated guided vehicles, a water test booth, end-of-line diagnostics, and the addition of 35 plant employees. One significant development for Mullen is a $63 million purchase order for 1,000 Class 3 vehicles received from Randy Marion Automotive Group. Deliveries for this order are set to commence in August and continue through the first quarter of 2024. This order, along with Armay's purchase of Mullen's Class 1 vehicle, amounts to a total of $279 million in purchase orders. The Class 3 vehicle, named the 3, carries a starting price of $68,500 and offers a range of 130 miles. It is eligible for a $7,500 federal tax credit, potentially reducing the price to $61,000. Mullen also highlights additional state incentives, such as the California HVIP program, which provides up to $45,000 in incentives for commercial Class 3 products like the Mullen 3 EV cab chassis truck. Investors and enthusiasts alike are eagerly anticipating Mullen's upcoming earnings report, as it will finally include revenue figures. This significant milestone will shed light on the company's financial performance and potentially impact investor sentiment. The commercial EV launch event signifies progress in the company's production and delivery schedule, demonstrating tangible steps toward generating revenue. Positive market sentiment surrounding the event and potential customer interest in Mullen's Class 3 vehicles may contribute to increased investor confidence, potentially impacting the stock price. With the event still on the horizon, it remains to be seen how the market will react. Investors and stakeholders will closely monitor Mullen's progress, especially in terms of meeting production timelines, fulfilling purchase orders, and achieving revenue growth. All right, let's dive into the upcoming resistance and support levels for Mullen stock on July 20th, 2023. In the next trading session, Mullen stock will face three levels of resistance: 15.63 cents, 16.27 cents, and 17.03 cents. Resistance levels are price points where the stock's upward movement may face selling pressure, potentially leading to a temporary halt or reversal in price gains. If Mullen stock manages to break through the first resistance level at 15.63 cents and holds above it, it could indicate a positive sentiment among investors, sparking potential buying interest. As a result, the stock may have the momentum to climb towards the next resistance level at 16.27 cents. Successful breakthroughs and sustained trading above these resistance levels could signal further bullish momentum. On the other hand, the stock will also encounter support levels that may act as a cushion during price declines. The upcoming support levels are 14.23 cents, 13.47 cents, and 12.83 cents. Support levels represent price points where buying interest may emerge, limiting the stock's downside movement. If Mullen stock experiences a temporary pullback and approaches the first support level at 14.23 cents, investors may see this as an opportunity to buy at a potentially attractive price. A strong bounce from the support level could drive the stock's price back up, and if sustained, it may push towards the next support level at 13.47 cents. It's important to keep in mind that the stock market can be influenced by various factors, including market sentiment, economic indicators, and company-specific news. As such, the price action around these resistance and support levels will be subject to changing market conditions. Traders and investors will closely monitor how Mullen stock responds to these key levels. A breakout above the resistance levels with significant trading volume could attract more buying interest and potentially fuel a rally. Conversely, a breakdown below the support levels may trigger selling pressure and lead to further declines. As always, exercise caution and conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. Market dynamics can change rapidly, and it's essential to stay informed and adapt your strategies accordingly. That concludes our breakdown of Mullen's recent short squeeze, sparked by the launch of their Class 3 EV. If this analysis sparked your interest, please hit like and subscribe to EV Equity Edge. Share your insights with us in the comments below. Don't miss our regular updates on Tesla, NIO, Rivian, and Lucid. Keep your portfolio powered up, and we'll catch you in the next video.